In December 2024, German defense giant Rheinmetall secured a major contract with the Ukrainian Ministry of Defense to supply 180,000 rounds of 35mm HEI-T ammunition for the Gepard self-propelled anti-aircraft system. Valued in the tens of millions of euros and funded by the German government, this agreement reflects Germany's ongoing support for Ukraine in the face of increasing aerial threats. The Gepard, built on the Leopard 1 tank chassis, is equipped with two Oerlikon Kontraves 35mm cannons, capable of firing up to 1,100 rounds per minute with a range of up to 5,500 meters. This makes it highly effective against a variety of aerial threats, including drones and missiles. In addition to its powerful armament, the Gepard features advanced radar systems for continuous airspace surveillance and real-time target tracking. Since 2022, Germany has delivered 55 refurbished Gepard vehicles to Ukraine, where they've played a crucial role in defending critical infrastructure. One notable success saw a single Gepard intercepting over 10 Shahed-136 drones and 2 cruise missiles in a single operation. This performance showcases the system's cost-effectiveness compared to high-end missile systems like NASAMS or IRIS-T. However, challenges arose in securing ammunition for the Gepard, especially when Switzerland, citing its neutrality policy, refused to allow the re-export of its stockpiled rounds. To address this, Rheinmetall modernized its Unterlüss production facility in 2023, ensuring the continued supply of 35mm ammunition. The first new batches were delivered to Ukraine in September 2023, ensuring the Gepard's operational readiness. Beyond the Gepard, Rheinmetall has also supplied Ukraine with advanced air defense systems like the Skynex, which uses programmable ahead ammunition to target smaller, faster threats with precision. This complements Ukraine's broader air defense strategy, making it more adaptable to modern challenges. This collaboration between Rheinmetall and Ukraine is a powerful example of the adaptability of the German defense industry and its vital role in strengthening Ukraine's air defense capabilities. The Gepard and other systems from Rheinmetall provide Ukraine with robust, scalable solutions to meet the evolving nature of aerial threats, demonstrating the strategic importance of advanced defense technologies in securing conflict zones. In conclusion, the delivery of additional Gepard ammunition further strengthens Ukraine's defense capabilities and highlights Rheinmetall's pivotal role in supporting European security objectives. As the conflict continues, the integration of advanced air defense systems like the Gepard remains a cornerstone of Ukraine's resilience against aerial attacks.